Oh yeah.
Got with her, Matt.
Yoo. Oh. Manny, savor the moment. Do you want to come touch it? We're having a girl.
And a laptop.
We've already got a laptop.
We've already got the girl. You ain't booked yet.
Designed in California. The 140 power brick. This is so Meg say. Hey Cameron. I'll go toilet. We'll talk later. What are you doing, Bruiser?
I know.
Wow, that's a lot of space.
Yeah.
Doesn't that make sure it's safe?
Well, no, because then this is the top of the box, yeah? And it's thin. Like, you'd expect it to be sunken halfway in and then, like, half packaging on both ends. I'm gonna pop. No, don't touch the camera. We're filming. Do you want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, wave.
Hi.
Okay, so. How should I do? How about?
Dad, can I turn it on?
No, it's already on. It's recording. You want to come over here and help me open it?
Yes.
Linky, you want to help?
I've got the socks here.
Come here, either side. So you grab that, and Linky, you grab this one, and pull. Wait, just slow down. Yay, go pull. Whoa, and then that was something. Oh,
It wasn't your laptop.
Whoa, look at that. What do you think?
Ooh.
Let's open her up.
Yeah.
And we'll bring this over here.
I can maybe
Hey.
see it.
Hey. Oh yeah, let's get the metal stuff out of your hands. Hey.
Why no middle stuff?
Now. Oh, did you hear that?
Whoa. Wow.
Whoa.
I got
Now ready, reaction time. Yeah, you gotta have an, oh my god. Oh my god. Hello. Bonjour. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Oh, that is cool. So what have we got? Okay, time for the sound test now. This is NCS, Lost Sky Vision Part 2. Absolutely love Lost Sky's music. Like, it's phenomenal. Anyway, here we go. Well, I'm no audio engineer or anything like that, but it just sounds like the range that comes from these speakers is improved. Now, all my experience with the MacBook is simply running on like a 2015 MacBook Pro, but listening to various new devices and stuff like that, it still isn't quite on a level that this one is on. It's hard to describe. And obviously, without having the knowledge of sound engineering and sound design, it makes it harder to try to voice this across. Now, my only thing is I'm trying to see if there's any equalizers to play around with, because I would like to sort of heighten the bass a bit more. It's evident that when it's very bassy, I kind of have a half expectancy to hear a little bit more bass. But I've only just got this and I haven't been able to find any equalizer settings or anything just yet. So I believe it's probably customizable like every other device there is. But let's just enjoy this. Now, all this is recorded on my GoPro, so then again, you probably aren't getting the full effect of these sounds in this. But where I do have my critiques in regards to the bass, like obviously, given the thickness of the computer, I suppose I'm probably being a little bit more critical and taking for granted, like my car and stuff like that, having the space to have a lot higher traveling speaker. But still, just to sit here and listen to it, the clarity is pretty amazing. Now, the only other thing is, now people were always discussing regarding what this notch and what effect it's going to have on the cursor. Now, I can minimize all this, and there's my video that I'm editing currently. Minimize this all. Now, if you look, it clips through just basically as if the notch isn't there. So see there, just runs through at the same speed as your trackpad. So it's not doing that jump that people were thinking of, or where it stops and then you got to navigate around. It's just a clean slate all the way through. Now, as far as scrubbing goes, like this is just going across everything. It is not having a hiccup whatsoever. Even the cursor gets bigger. It's cool. That's wicked. Now, if you've got any questions regarding this, hit us up in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer it. I may even make another video if there's enough requests wanting to know details. This is the M1 64GB 32-core GPU. Pretty much a top tier one. Just the only thing I didn't go up to is the 8TB storage. I only was stuck with the 4 because I figured with that $1,200 Australian savings, I'll probably build a NAS external storage device with probably maybe even cheaper. My channel's not surrounded on technology. It's mainly got to do with sports, being the jet skiing, freestyle BMX. I just got a brand new BMX, so that's going to be fun. Water sports, maybe even a bit of dirt bike riding and stuff like that. So if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe.